What's up, YouTube? It's been a while, maybe like 5 months, but I am still drawing. Right, Guapo? He's so cute. This is my son right here. Say hi to YouTube. What's up? What's cracking, YouTube? Okay, first things first, as you can tell from my little intro, my shop is up, and you can follow it at etsy.com/PinoyShot95. Everything I'm saying right now is gonna be in the description, so you can mute me if you want. So yeah, my shop's up right now. This drawing right now that I'm drawing right, this drawing right now that you're watching is up there, and there's 2 sizes available, which is the regular standard size 8.5 by 11, and I have a double that size, so 11 by 17. There's 2 options, one with the colored background. Some people like it, a lot of people like it, but I like the one without the background, so that's why I made it available as 2 instead of just the one with the colored. So you can see that right now I got my Levi drawing up there, same sizes, and I have like 2 older Dragon Ball Z drawings that I did when I was like 14. My OG fans will remember it, but yeah, if you want the originals, just hit me up and we can work something out. Alright, so number 2, I am open for commissions, and just let me know what you want me to draw and I got you. Also, I'm trying to take my art to a whole new level. Like, I got a whole bunch of different stuff. I know like the material things that you use won't make you a better artist. It's actually skill that determines that, but I feel like I'm at a plateau with drawing or with art in general, so if I get all these new things, then I might be excited to, well, I am excited. I am excited to try something new, you know. So I got some tone paper. I'm gonna see how that is, and I got some Copics too. I didn't get the whole set because, you know, ain't nobody got $200 like that right now. We broke college students, so I got like 12 for $40 or $50, but I'm excited to try those out. I am working on a new drawing right now, which is from, I say guess what anime, but screw that. It's from My Hero Academia. I just finished it, or I just caught up, and I'm excited to draw. Like, the art style is pretty different. It's different than what I'm used to. It's more like fairy tale, even though I have drawn some fairy tale stuff, but we'll see where that goes. I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. Just enjoy the video and make sure you just leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me how you guys been doing, because it's been a while. Alright, say bye now, Guapo. Bye, Guapo. Oh yeah, his name is Guapo, by the way. I never introduced you guys, huh? Look at his face. He's camera shy, right? He's camera shy. Oh, bye. Bye, humans. Hey.